Morning, folks. All right, so today we are not meeting in person. We will not have a Teams meet, and you are not joining me in school. But I still wanted to give you clear directions on what you're to be doing. So here, you'll see we have a new unit, Beginning of Civilizations. Okay, if you still owe me anything from refugee or from the first 2 weeks, please make sure you are working on that. Okay, I will still accept late work, but I especially want it done because now we're kind of switching gears and starting with this new unit. And if you look, we will be running this unit from 1013 to 1023. So this is going to be taking us for the next week and a half or so. All right, so here's the date, Tuesday, 1013, assignments. And this is all of your work for today. Okay, that's how we're going to run this. Please ignore this Nearpod Egypt thing. That is not something we're doing yet, and I just can't get it to be unpublished. So you click here for the opener, and you have just a quick quote. Thousands have lived without love, not one without water. That's from W.H. Auden, British poet. Rivers are the lifeblood of all life and civilizations. So I gave you a couple options for sentence frames up here. You're going to read it and then say, I agree because, I disagree because, or I think because. All right, that's up to you. Excuse me, but I do want to be building best practice. You should always be posting in here with complete thoughts. So you make a statement and you explain it. Not simply yes, no, it's okay. None of that will work. You have to be making complete statements and complete thoughts in here for full credit. My goodness, sorry. After that, your next assignment is here. It's a News ELA article about dwindling freshwater sources. So the whole theme of today is actually the importance of water and water overall. So here you're going to click on this and it's going to take you to News ELA. I can't because of the way my system is set up, so I already have it opened for you. So here is the article. You're going to read it about dwindling freshwater resources. If you don't know what the word dwindling means, that is one of the beauties of working online. Look it up. Check it out. So while you're in here, you're going to read, look at the visuals. It's going to help you understand how important these freshwater sources are. And over here in this corner here, you can change the Lexile. Okay, so you should be reading on your reading level. And I know we haven't done that yet with you, but you'll be taking the STAR test soon to see where you are. But you can change your Lexile according to where you read, okay? So once you're done with that, and you're going to highlight three, so actually, hold on, let me actually go over that. You're going to highlight three resources, three pieces of evidence that will help you with this assignment, okay? That will help you understand the importance of water. So it's going to say the directions right at the top for you. Here it is. Highlight at least three important details that you could possibly use to build a poem or haiku. All right, so you're going in and highlighting at least three important details. Then when you're done with this, when you're done with the News ELA article and you've responded to the discussion post, this is the last piece for today. You're writing a short poem or rap about how rivers or any connection to water connects to life or to your life. Okay, and in here you're going to find an example haiku format called River. Haikus go 5 syllables, 7 syllables, 5 syllables. So you have to actually tap it out or figure out the syllables of what you're trying to say. But this one is the lifeblood of earth, nourishing all God's creatures, flowing in our souls. So that's a great example of a haiku. If you wanted to build one about the importance of water or how water connects to your life, you're welcome to do that. And you do that by just going up here and hitting Submit Assignment. And we're submitting this a little differently. This isn't embedded. It's not going to be uploading a document. You're literally just going to write your response in here. You can be playful. You can add a picture if you want. You can just add text. You can be as creative as you want. I do want to caution you. I do think that if you start this, you have to finish it. So I don't think it like saves your progress. You have to start it and finish it. And then you go down here and you hit submit assignment. Okay, that's it for today. That's all you have to do. To me, that's more than reasonable for you to do independently. Oops. Wait, yeah, leave. For you to do independently. So please get these 3 things done so you can get credit. And again, don't forget, tomorrow when you come in, I will be putting in something new for Wednesday. It's a whole new topic. So even though we're not meeting, even though we won't be face-to-face today or tomorrow, you still will have new work in there. So make sure you're logging in so I can get you for attendance and so that you don't fall behind. Office hours today, 1:51 to 2:45. Please come join me if you need some time with me or if you need anything clarified. Bye, folks.